This is how you can put sound in your video. Guys, let's go. No one waste time. Okay, so in this video I'm going to use InShot. So I'm going to click on InShot. I don't want to use CapCut in this video. So you're going to click new project. You select a video. You select the video that you want to edit. The video that you want to edit. Let me say I want to edit this video. OZ. I'll add and mark this place. Make sure you mark this place. This good. You mark it to add. Now you can see your video has been okay. OZ. If you want to put sound in this video now, the first thing for you to do, first of all you need to download sound. If you don't have sound, please DM me or put it in the comment section so I will know the kind of video you want to edit or the kind of sound you need, and I can send the sound to you on WhatsApp. So you click on this audio, click on audio, you see music, click on the music, see my music here, this place, you click on it, you see the sound that I have so many sound. See sound, you see sound like you see this is one of my sound. See, I have many sounds, so let me use I want to use this sound. Now you click on use, click on this use, you see OZ. I just say you want to add to this video. Okay, you click on the sound, you make the sound to increase the volume of the sound. You click on volume, this volume, click on volume, you increase it to 200, you mark it good, then you preview. OZ. I just say you want travel. You see, then you pause it, you look for another sound again, you go to your music again, my music, looking for sound. Let me just okay, you click on use. Okay, let me just see what you have. I just say you want travel.
No be lie, I want travel.
Like this now, which country where you want your sound? Okay, let me just travel.
No be lie, I want travel.
Like this now, which country where you want travel? You make the video a little bit good. You click on your music again. You look for, let me just, I don't know if you have, but if you are ready, just DM me or just put it in the comment section. I'll give you the app. You can be downloading, you can even download sound in Chrome. I will just show you how. Just comment on the comment section the sound you need. Okay, let me just use this sound. Okay, okay,
I want travel.
Like this now, which country where you want travel go now?
No be lie. I would like go all these Europe countries. I would like go like Germany, US, UK, all those sides. But I don't go that side.
You see that the sound has finished and you still want to use this sound. Just simply click on the sound like this, then you find duplicate. You're going to see duplicate. Click on duplicate. You see the sound has been duplicated. Then you put which side you want to go?
I don't want to go there. You get one country where I want to go for inside East Africa. And that country I want to go.
You want to travel now for inside Africa? You want to travel?
Yes, now you know.
If you want to continue using the sound till the end of this video, you have to click it again, duplicate. You go to the place that the end, you duplicate again, duplicate again, duplicate again. Then you can see that you can see that you have duplicated the sound in the whole videos. So you have to go back to be putting your small comedy sound effect. Let's just OZ. I just say you want travel.
No be lie, I want travel.
Like this now, which country where you want travel go now?
not be lie o. I for like go all these Europe country dem. I for like go like Germany, US, abi UK, all those side dem. But I no go that side sha.
You pause that place. I no go that side, you pause that place. You look for a sound to put in that place. Let me just use
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I can just use this, or maybe no. No. Okay, let me use this one. This side you want come go. You see?
But I no go that side sha.
This side you want come go.
I don't want to go there. You get one country where I want to go for inside East Africa.
For inside South Africa, you put another sound. Let me put like sound like away. Sound like away. Away. You see? Okay. Let's preview.
Go for inside East Africa. And that country I want to go.
Don't travel now for inside.
I want to go for inside East Africa.
You adjust the sound a little bit. Okay.
East Africa. And that country I want to
go. You want travel now for inside Africa? You want to travel?
Yes.
Then you add another sound. You to edit video is not easy, so you have to just keep adding your sound. You just look for sound like Jesus. You use you increase the volume because the volume is low. Okay, let's see what we have. You travel now for inside Africa. You want to travel?
Yes, now you know say get one country for inside East Africa where the almost better pass all the African country.
Look for another sound.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal of
use this sound.
Bombastic side eye.
I never hear
criminal offensive.
You know I won't go. You know come to the talks. I won't go this in Burkina Faso.
You pause. Look for a sound to put in that place. Look for another sound. Please do well to follow me in this video, like this video and comment and share to others so that other people can benefit from this video as you are benefiting too. Look for another sound. Okay. Chan and use Burkina Guinea.
Burkina.
Okay.
Faso.
Burkina Guinea.
Burkina Faso. It isn't happening.
Then you add another sound again. Let me just add.
Jesus.
Burkina Faso.
Yes, not be like. Hey! Now that won't go.
Jesus. Then you add another sound. Look for. You have to download sound though. After download sound.
You know that country now, as that country there like this, now that country now is not even better past Nigeria. Like they don't get better past Nigeria. Because they don't get.
You add another sound.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Because they don't get their own independence. You know, say France be they control them, they rule them, they collect all the this.
In case you want to put another sound here, you can still put. I'm just using this one in explanation. You can still add another sound here. Add another sound. This video is just a simple video to just for beginners.
All the foreign reserves, they collect their money, but now like this, as they talk to you now, they don't recover everything, and then they control their gold mine, everything, and then they control that.
So you add the sound. Let me just.
Will you keep quiet?
Add the sound. So why you want to go there now? You want to go control the
I go there, I want to go also. You know, say their lifestyle for them don't live better. I might leave Nigeria. Nigeria still they live for.
You add another sound again.
Yep, that's me. You're probably...
You add the sound. Increase the volume of the sound.
They live backward. I go follow them.
Okay now, no wahala. Now when you reach there, if you get more money, they sell for me. I bet.
Don't worry, now when I don't go there, if I don't make
more money, they sell for me. I bet.
Don't worry, now when I don't go there, if I don't make they sell for you something.
No wahala now. At the end of the video, you can add something like gunshot. Like.
If I don't make this.
Okay, let me add something like gunshot. I'm looking for my gunshot. Where is this sound? Where is this sound? Okay.
Set for you something.
No wahala. Increase the volume.
Set for you something.
No wahala now. Then you add the mango sound in that place after cracking. Okay, you use it, then see what you have.
Set for you something.
No wahala now. You see what you have, then you can go back. No, this video is not good for me. I need to add more sound. You can just.
I won't go there. I go hustle.
So just let me just okay. So add another sound in this place now. Okay. Let me check for a sound to add in this place.
You think say they wise?
Go and ask your girl.
You think say they wise?
Okay.
It's about to go down.
A few...
Okay.
I won't go there. I go hustle. You know say they like.
You increase the volume. You mark it. Okay. You won't go control the.
I won't go there. I go hustle. You know say their lifestyle for that on the better. I live Nigeria. Nigeria still they live for. They still live backward. I go follow them.
Okay now, no wahala. Now when you reach there, if you get more money, they sell for me. I bet.
Don't worry, now when I don't go there, if I don't make they sell for you something.
No wahala now. Putting sound in your video can make the video to go viral. You see? Okay, if you just let me just say you are done now, you just click on this good, then you mark it. You see, this is if you want to add any other thing. These has many things to add. If you want to split, you want to delete any place, so many things are here, but this is just how to add sound in your videos first. In case you need any other thing, please do not hesitate to comment on the comment section so that I will know what you need. Then after that, you can simply just okay, let me just preview the video. This is what you have after editing your video. This is what you have now. Just watch. Oz, I hear say you want travel.
Not be like I want travel.
Like this now, which country when you want travel go now?
Not be like I for like go all these Europe countries. I for like go like Germany, US, I be UK, all those side. But I know go that side.